Dear friends, I am Dr. A.S. Dikshit. Today I will be discussing about the home management of hypertension. Hypertension is one of the most commonly encountered cardiovascular disease in our OPDs. It is a silent killer and associated with high mortality and morbidity. 25 to 30% population of our country is suffering from hypertension. 11 crore population of USA are suffering from hypertension. In the whole world, 1 billion persons are suffering from hypertension. This is 2018 data. The huge burden on doctors and increasing complications can be well managed if additionally the patient goes for home blood pressure monitoring. Various risks like heart attack, stroke, kidney disease and heart failure can be prevented. It is very important to know our BP outside the clinic. This will be done by home blood pressure monitoring. This will give us effective management and control of BP. The blood pressure machine used should be fully automated and it should be calibrated with a mercury sphygmomanometer. The advantages of home blood pressure monitoring are following. Blood pressure is more accurate as the recording is done in routine settings and natural environment. It helps to differentiate sustained hypertension from white coat hypertension. White coat hypertension, as we all know, is a condition where patient is a normotensive, but when he goes to his doctor, his BP is raised. So this can be very well detected by home blood pressure monitoring. It also increases adherence as the patient measuring their own BP are likely to take their medicines regularly. Home blood pressure monitoring gives good response to the treatment. It can also detect masked or silent hypertension. Masked or silent hypertension is a condition where patient is having hypertension, but as he goes to the doctor's clinic, his BP becomes normal. So this can be also very well detected during home blood pressure monitoring. In spite of regular home blood pressure monitoring, patients should consult doctor off and on online or physically. Regular checkup and dose adjustment should be done by the doctor. The night dip of BP and early morning surge can be well addressed by home blood pressure monitoring or ambulatory blood pressure monitoring. In this COVID era, telemedicine is being much used for guidance to the patient, and this can also be used to guide the hypertensive patient by along with their home blood pressure monitoring. Important steps for doctor whose patient is having home blood pressure monitoring is identify that what type of blood pressure the patient is having, whether it is a existing hypertension, whether it is a new hypertension, or whether it is a masked hypertension. The second point, the device should have proper validity, should be perfect. Then train the patient by video and then see the patient performing the BP recording. Set the average of systolic and diastolic BP and interpret the result and make changes if needed. Document the whole record of the BP and treatment and communicate to the patients. The take-home messages is that move on. Move on means do the exercise. At least 3 to 4 kilometers walking per day is a must. Then take DASH diet. DASH diet is a dietary approach to control hypertension. In this, we take low salt, about 1 gram, high fiber diet, fruits and vegetables, cereals and pulses. Then put down your salt sprinkler. Don't use it. Then lose weight. Persons with overweight must lose their weight, and losing weight can also bring down your BP. No nicotine in any form. This is very harmful. Lower your alcohol intake. Lower your stress by meditation and yoga. Keep your BP at normal level. Adhere to the therapy and keep yourself happy. Thank you very much.